Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll learn how to create word cloud text portrait in Canva. So let's start. Now go to your Canva dashboard, click on create line, go to custom size, add 1280 by 270 pixel. Now go to add section and type text header. Choose this ad. Now add the words you want which you highlight. Now decrease the words weight. Now add supporting words. Now increase the size of the supporting words. Also you can increase the density of words. Now change the shape. Go to advanced and change the font style. Increase the spacing. Now change the color. All text should be in white color. Now click on add to design. Change the background color to black. Now arrange the shape like in square shape. Now duplicate this image and cover all the layer. Now download this image. Now go to second page. Drag the second image. Remove the background of image. Then crop the image like this. Place in center of page. Now change the background color to black. Now download this image. Now go to next page and drag the whole downloaded image. Just like this. Now go to app section and search for plain image. Go to text image. Place on top. And choose the plain mode multiply. Design is ready. Again add one image. Overlap one image. Increase the transparency. Our design is ready. Download this image. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.